Discover 20 killer woodworking tools on Amazon that every maker, DIYer, and craftsman will want right now. These clever gadgets, precision upgrades, and time-saving innovations are designed to boost accuracy, speed, and creativity in any workshop. Whether you're building furniture, tackling home projects, or fine-tuning your craft, this list highlights the standout tools that take your work to the next level. Get ready to upgrade your setup and work smarter than ever. SAKERPLUS Thin Rip Jig. The SAKERPLUS Thin Rip Jig is a premium CNC machined aluminum tool designed for precision woodworking. Its anti-corrosion surface secures workpieces, reduces chatter, and protects both your project and fingers. Compatible with standard T-slot tables, it works with table saws, router tables, and band saws. The adjustable range spans 2 inches to 8.5 inches with dual imperial metric scales, while the reinforced T-bar prevents slippage. Delivering 1/32 inch laser-sharp accuracy, it ensures flawless cuts, minimizes waste, and supports professional results. Tool-free quick adjustments make changing cutting widths fast and efficient. Huepar Angle Finder. The Huepar Angle Finder delivers precise measurements in any condition, with plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy at 0 degrees/90 degrees, and plus or minus 0.2 degrees for other angles, even from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It features 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees modes, 4 measurement units, and absolute/relative readings, ideal for woodworking, construction, or automotive tasks. A strong magnetic base enables hands-free work, while a clear VA LCD with tilt guidance ensures easy reading. Compact, durable, and portable, it comes with a carrying bag, 2-year warranty, and lifetime technical support for reliable performance anywhere. General Dovetail Jig. The General Adjustable Dovetail Jig is crafted for precision and versatility. Its one-piece aluminum layout ensures perfectly aligned dovetail joints, while the integrated clamping system fits any board width. This set includes one dovetail joiner tool and a 14-degree, 1/2 inch dovetail router bit, suitable for hand or table routers, with a user manual for easy guidance. Ideal for half-blind, through dovetails, and box joints, it's perfect for both beginners and professionals. With adjustable controls and a professional quality interface, it's a must-have tool for woodworking, repairs, and creative projects. IGOOO Undercut Saw. The IGOOO Undercut Saw is a powerful cutting tool featuring a 2.5 horsepower, 1,800 watt motor for high-speed performance on a variety of materials. Its heavy-duty design ensures durability and long-lasting use. Equipped with 6.5 inch saw blades, it handles wood with alloy teeth and cuts tiles, concrete, and stone with a diamond blade. The unique height adjustment system allows precise blade alignment for accurate cuts. With a maximum cutting height of 1 inch and depth of 1 1/4 inches, it offers versatility. Comes with a 30-day refund and 1-year warranty for worry-free purchase. NEIKO Hammer Drill. The NEIKO Cordless Hammer Drill is a versatile power tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a powerful brushless motor with 1,400 RPM and 4,500 BPM, it effortlessly drills into concrete, wood, metal, and masonry. The battery-powered design includes a fast charger and an energy indicator for easy monitoring. With 4 functions: drilling, hammer drilling, hammering, and chiseling. Plus a 360-degree auxiliary handle, depth gauge, and built-in LED light, it offers precision and convenience. The package includes chisels, drill bits, drill chuck, auxiliary handle, and a 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. Rockler panel clamps. The Rockler Deluxe panel clamps are scaled-down versions of our larger panel clamps, designed to keep panels flat and joints flush for smaller woodworking projects. Built from thick steel with scissor action couplers and 1.8mm powder-coated rails, they deliver professional clamping pressure without staggering top and bottom clamps. Ideal for panels 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick and up to 16 inches wide, they save sanding time and simplify assembly. Perfect for cutting boards, small panels, or frame and panel doors, the set includes 2 clamp pairs, headstocks, tailstocks, and a storage rack. Dustopper PRO. The Dustopper PRO is the original patented low-profile dust separator, collecting over 99.9% of shop dust before it reaches your vacuum, saving money on filter replacements, compatible with most 2.5-inch shop vacs and tools, adapters available. It also separates liquids for water cleanup. Easy to install, it includes 2 high-flow 90-degree elbows and a clear top for visual inspection. Durable, anti-static, and equipped with a grounding lug, Dustopper PRO is made in the USA and backed by excellent customer service for a hassle-free dust collection experience. WOODSTARTER Cordless Jig Saw. The WOODSTARTER Cordless Jig Saw with a brushless copper motor delivers smoother, longer-lasting performance with less heat and friction. Its 3 adjustable speeds, 1000, 2000, and 2900 SPM, allow precise cuts on wood, metal, and other materials. The 4-level stroke function offers customizable cutting power, while the 45 to 90 degree adjustable angle ensures versatile straight and angled cuts. Equipped with a built-in dust blowing system, it keeps your workspace clean and provides clear visibility for accurate cutting, making it an essential tool for woodworking and DIY projects. Milescraft Joint Master. The Milescraft Joint Master is a self-clamping all-aluminum doweling jig designed for precise edge, corner, and surface joints. Compatible with boards 1/2 inch to 3 inches thick, it accommodates multiple dowel sizes: imperial, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, metric, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm. Its durable aluminum body and hardened steel drill bushings ensure accuracy and longevity. Built-in scales, centering marks, and retractable stops simplify alignment, while the self-clamping design eliminates extra clamps. Highly praised by users for its solid construction, ease of use, and versatility. It delivers professional quality joints for a variety of woodworking projects. Litheli Cordless Drill Set. The Litheli Cordless Drill Set is a versatile 20-volt toolkit and an excellent gift for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists. Its durable 3/8 inch keyless metal chuck allows quick, one-handed bit changes, making it convenient for a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks. With 18+1 torque settings delivering up to 220 inch-pounds of power, it ensures precise control without stripping screws. The 2-speed motor, 0 to 360, 0 to 1300 RPM, adapts to various applications, while the 2.0 amp-hour battery with real-time indicator and 1-hour fast charger keeps you working efficiently. Kreg MortiseMate. The Kreg MortiseMate Premium Drill. Jig makes cutting mortises incredibly easy using just a drill. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism lowers the cutter tip in precise 1/16 inch increments for accurate loose tenon joinery. Designed with an integrated mini work surface, it securely clamps workpieces from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Trigger-style clamps simplify setup for both panel and 90-degree joints. With micro adjustment screws and laser-etched markings, you get perfectly customized. Mortise width and consistent depth every time. Like all Kreg tools, it helps woodworkers turn ideas into flawless results. TOOLAN Multi-Blades. Hand Saw. The TOOLAN Multi-Blades. Hand Saw is a versatile 8-in-1 cutting tool designed for convenience, durability and precision. It features a TPR non-slip, ergonomically designed handle that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its clever lockback mechanism securely holds both large and small blades, and the set includes 8 high-speed steel HSS blades for reliable performance across multiple materials. Ideal for cutting drywall, metal, plastic, plywood, PVC and more. This compact saw saves space in your toolbox while offering easy access to replacement blades for ongoing DIY, woodworking and repair projects. Magic Baby Corner Clamps. The Magic Baby Corner Clamps are sturdy, heavy-duty right-angle clamps made from premium aluminum alloy die casting for long-lasting durability. Designed to join 2 wood pieces of different thicknesses at a perfect 90-degree angle, they offer an adjustable clamping range up to 2.68 inches. The ergonomic rubber handle and rotary jaw ensure precise alignment and a secure, non-slip grip. With a 2-way swing jaw for added versatility, these clamps are ideal for woodworking, welding, framing, drilling, cabinet making, and furniture installation. A must-have tool for accurate, stable assembly work. SEESII Suction Cups. The SEESII Electric. Suction cups take heavy lifting to a whole new level, delivering effortless handling of glass, tiles, stone, and metal. Its high-power motor creates a secure vacuum in just seconds, offering an impressive 440 pounds, 200 kilograms. Suction force for demanding job sites. A built-in pressure sensor maintains consistent grip, while the LED display shows real-time pressure and status. Designed for versatility, it works on smooth, semi-porous, and textured surfaces. With dual safety buttons, 2 2000 mAh batteries, strap hook points, and a full pro kit, this tool ensures safer, faster, professional-grade lifting. HAUTMEC Mini Hacksaw. The HAUTMEC Mini Hacksaw is a compact, all-in-one cutting kit designed for precision and versatility. It includes a durable light alloy hacksaw frame, an aluminum miter box, and a 24 TPI bimetal blade built for clean cuts on wood, PVC, rubber, steel pipe, and even frozen materials. The miter box ensures accurate 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees angle cuts, while the saw's adjustable blade, positions and tension system enhance control. A comfortable ABS and PVC non-slip grip reduces fatigue, and its lightweight portable design makes it ideal for workshops, DIY tasks, and on-the-go repairs. IGOOO Toe Kick Saw. The IGOOO Toe Kick Saw EKS 85 is a specialised corded electric saw built for precise flush cutting under cabinets, making it perfect for flooring removal and subfloor replacement. Powered by an 810 watt motor, it spins at 4,300 RPM and offers 4 adjustable cutting depths for versatile use. The kit includes 2 alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tile or stone. Users praise its time-saving performance and clean, accurate cuts, though it requires careful handling due to potential kickback. Overall, it's a reliable, job-specific tool for tight flooring spaces. SAKER Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. The SAKER Cordless Tile Vibration Tool delivers powerful suction with a load capacity of over 130 pounds, making it ideal for handling tiles up to 59 by 59 inches. Equipped with 2 22-volt high-capacity batteries, it provides 4 to 6 hours of continuous use and recharges in just 2 hours. Its 5-speed adjustment, reaching up to 18,000 revolutions per minute, lets you match vibration intensity to tile size and material. A smart display ensures precise control, while the one-handed cordless design simplifies installation for both DIY users and professionals.